Hey everyone, so today I wanted to test out the Nikon RAW so you can see that no matter what people say, it looked gorgeous because it really does. Now I am shooting on the Canon FD 24mm f2.8 lens in nearly all the shots you'll see except for the first two. Honestly, the 24mm isn't the best lens, so my apologies. Now the first thing you're gonna notice is that the dynamic range looks really good. In nearly all my shots, you can see the sky and the clouds clearly. They're not overexposed or looking harsh in pure white. Even with the shots that you see with the sun peeking in, you can still clearly see the sky. I'm using false color to expose these shots. I know with the 4-inch screen on the camera, no one wants to use an external monitor, but until the ZR get false color internally, I'm going to be using a monitor. Now, as you see, the colors look good. If I didn't tell you that this was in RAW, I'm pretty sure no one would even question it. Yes, it helps shooting at golden hour, but those first two shots were actually captured at 2 p.m., damn near midday, and they still look good. This is why I don't listen to people who say in RAW is garbage. I'd rather go out and test it myself because in my personal finest, in RAW is exceptional, definitely just as good as R3D and way better than any log profile. And for the people who's regurgitating that opinion, they may not have tried it themselves. Even with the proof you're seeing in today's video, go test it yourself. Now, all of these shots were done handheld. The first two shots were with a lighter setup and the rest was done with the Cineback system. Honestly, even with the added weight, this camera does not have Panasonic or Lumix IBIS. I had the G85 and the GH5, so I know firsthand how good those IBIS systems are, and no other brand been able to come close. This isn't their first impressions video, this is just me testing the codecs of the camera. Today was in RAW, the next test is R3D. I may test the ProRes RAW, but I know from personal experience how good that looks too. The reason I'm testing the codecs is because I have a short doc series I'm shooting next month and I want to be familiar with the camera before the first date arrives. If you want to support the channel, you can do it by buying my ZR Power Grade or my Novice Color Grade crash course, or you can support for free by liking and sharing the video, as that do help with the algorithm. Now, if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I hope you have an amazing weekend and an amazing summer. I'll see you in the next one.